Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2022 320 Vantage. It's a phenomenal boat. It goes everywhere you want to go. It's powered by the Mercury 300s, the twin 300s, powerful motors for this boat. It's got the dive door on the model, which is great for getting on and off the boat. Let's get on board and take a look at the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Start at the back of the boat. Again, it's powered by the twin 300 Mercuries. Fantastic motors, as I said before. If you're just going out for a nice casual ride on the boat, a little lunch, a little going to the beach, you've got a nice, large, fold down and fold up seat in the back that holds 3 adults very comfortably. And if you are going to go fishing, just fold it up. Great leaning post. So it's set up very, very nicely. Again, on this side, we've got a table that comes out. You've got storage underneath the seat. The seat goes up and down, so you can bring it back all the way this way. You can have it to lounge this way. You can bring this all the way down, and then you can lounge that way. So what an incredible seat this is. Whoever invented it was phenomenal. Now we've got the dive door, the safest way to get on and off the boat. So the floating docks are all one level. You step right on the same level. And also, if the ladder goes off there, it's a great safe ladder to get on and off the boat, handle to get on the boat. And then we also, as far as fishing, great way to bring the fish on the boat versus over the gunnel. You won't lose them if you bring them straight on in. Speaking of fishing, we got the live well, very large live well here, so conveniently located right here at the back of the boat. You've got nice big prep storage area. And then you've got a passenger seat over here with it's a double seat. It also is automatic and go up and down, so if you want to get higher for viewing out the windshield, it goes up and down automatically. Great option. Now the Helm's got all kinds of stuff. You get the real large Raymarine on it. You get the Mercury vessel view. You get the Fusion stereo, the Raymarine VHF. You got auto trim, which is here. You got auto trim tabs, and then you've got the joystick. The joystick, I can make this boat go sideways, which is, getting on and off docks is really a great way to get, just directly on, directly off. Also has sky hook, so I can hit the button, point the bow at the sunset. It locks me right into place. Goes up in the bow, have a glass of wine. It's a great place to see the sunset when you're all done. Hit the button, go back in. It's great. Also has an auto heading. It's a point and straight shoot. It's a real easy autopilot. So all 3 features in this system are great. We also have a little cabin down below. It's kind of a cool getting out of the sun cabin. It's got seating for about 4 people down there. Usually the kids like to go down there. It also will fold down into a bed, so you can 2 adults can actually lay down and take a nap. So it's kind of a neat little take a break cabin. So as we move over to this side, we've got the head. So very large head. It's got a skylight in it. You got natural daylight. It's got a seat that folds down if you want to change your clothes, whatever. And then you've got a faucet with hot and cold water that'll you can rinse yourself off, getting the salt and sand off of you. So really nice, non-claustrophobic head. So we move to the bow. Great U-shaped seating. Actually a double up on this side and a single on this side with armrests. Get places to charge your phones, control the stereo, drink holders, and then you also have you've got your windlass system. So your windlass is down below. You've got a remote control here, and you can also control it from the helm station. And then you get the ladder that deploys. So you can pull right up onto the beach, and you can drop the ladder. You can get on and off the boat from the sand. You don't have to get in the water, which is really a nicer way to get on and off the boat. So a lot of people do like that. And when you're getting on the boat, it's got a shower right here to wash the salt and sand off yourself before you get into the boat. So it's got radar on it, the closed array. It's got a spotlight. It's got the great hardtop with the 2-tone blue on it. It's a great boat. If you'd like to see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.